Alright, this is my first attempt at making a film with this camera. So, I know right now a popular thing to do is cold start videos. So, let's just see how the Allis-Chalmers 180 cold starts. It is about 4 degrees, I believe. So there you have it. No oil pressure yet though. There we go. So the Allis-Chalmers 180 cold start video. Not plugged in, no preheat, and I think I forgot to mention it is a gasser. So, well, I'm in the shed. Here's the 180, the Series 4 D17. My grandpa's Series 2 D17, my D15 Series 2, 190 XT Series 1, that's been upgraded with the heavy rear end, the Agco 9650, Cyclo fancy bean planter, we'll see how it does this year, New Idea 310 single row corn picker. Over here we have the G, the reversed Allis loader, the Deutz Allis 385 planter, the sprayer, the R6, hard to see it, but back there's the hay bind. Next to that, of course, is a wagon, and over there is a 303 Allis-Chalmers baler. So long and take care for now. Stay warm out there.